Hi viewers, welcome to Spark and Crack IAS. In this video, we are going to see about some important topics in prehistoric period of India. History of India. History of India has been divided into three periods. They are Ancient India, Medieval India and Modern India. First, we are going to see about Ancient India. In previous year question papers, under Ancient India topic, questions were asked from the following periods. They are Paleolithic period, Mesolithic period, Neolithic period. Now I am going to give you some important topics in these three periods. Paleolithic period. It is also known as Old Stone Age. The earliest traces of human existence in India was found between 4 lakh BC to 2 lakh BC. Large number of primitive stone tools was found in the Soan Valley. Now it is in Pakistan and around Chennai. In this Paleolithic period, people used simple chip and chop type stone tools. These tools were found throughout the country except alluvial plains of Indus, Ganga and Jamuna rivers. Flint was commonly used, which is hard but flakes easily. Generally, tools were used for skinning of dead animals, cutting their flesh and splitting their bones. People living in this period were food gatherers and hunters. They were totally dependent on nature for their food, like animals and plants. At the end of this period, they learned to control fire. Also, they used animal skins, tree barks and large leaves as clothes. This Paleolithic period also divided into three categories. They are Early Paleolithic period, Middle Paleolithic period and Upper Paleolithic period. Homo sapiens appeared around 36,000 BC in Upper Paleolithic age. Early Paleolithic tools like fossil of Homo sapiens found in Hathnora in Narmada Valley. Middle Paleolithic tools were identified in Nevasa, Maharashtra. Upper Paleolithic tools found in Karnool caves, Andhra Pradesh. Paleolithic sites found in the regions of Assam, Bengal and Orissa. The people were not aware of neither agriculture nor house construction. They lived in caves and hills. Scholars believe that this era was a contribution of Neanderthal. In Middle Paleolithic age, the dead people were painted before burial. In Upper Paleolithic age, they made greatest cultural progress. Next one, Mesolithic age. It is also known as Late Stone Age. From 8000 BC to 4000 BC, Mesolithic period where existed. This is also referred as end of Ice Age. In this period, microliths tools were used, like pointed or crescentic blade, saws and sickles. These tools were used to hunt fast-moving animals. Mesolithic sites were found in Chota Nagpur Plateau in central India and near south of the Krishna River. People were efficient in food collection and beginning of plant cultivation. Next one, Neolithic. It is also known as New Stone Age. Neolithic settlements in India were not older than 4000 BC. Neolithic communities were survived mostly in northwestern region, like Suleiman and Kirtar hills in Vindhyas and Garo hills in northeast. People began to domesticate animals like dog, goat and sheep and cultivate plants. Wheat and barley were the earliest cereals grown. In this period, man began to settle down in selected areas. Later, villages and farming communities were formed. They used ochre-colored pottery. The tools used by them were heavy digging stick used to digging the ground, axe used for cutting and felling trees, quern and mortar used for grinding grain, potteries used for store grains and hold liquids. The most important discovery in this period was wheel. Towards close of this period, use of metals began, that is known as Chalcolithic period. Important sites of Paleolithic period. It is also an one of the important topic. Let me see one by one. Bhimpetaka in Madhya Pradesh. Here natural caves and rock shelters were found. It was famous for its paintings. Next one, Hangsi. It was situated near Krishna river. There were large number of limestone tools used for all sorts of activities. Next one, Karnool Caves. It was located near Krishna river. Here the evidence for usage of fire was found. Patna, Maharashtra. Here large quantities of ostrich eggshells found. Next one, important sites of Mesolithic period. Laknach, located in Gujarat. Here archaeologists found earliest evidence of burials. In those burials, things of dead person were placed. Another one, Mohrana Pahara in Uttar Pradesh. Earliest evidence of burials found in this place also. These burials also had the things of dead persons. Important sites of Neolithic period. Meghar, located in northwest Pakistan. The earliest villages were found in Meghar. Next one, Gufkal and Bazom in Kashmir. The early evidence of farmers and herders of sheep and goat were found here. Next one, Chiran in Bihar and Koldiwa in Uttar Pradesh. The rice husk embroidered in the clay of potsherds found here. From this site we had learned that rice was a native crop that was not imported from any other countries like China. Next one, Magagra in Uttar Pradesh. Here the evidences for rice and cattle were found. Another one, Payyempalli. It is located between Krishna and Kaveri river. It was close to the routes leading into China and Myanmar. Stone tools like mortar and pestles brought from China were used here. Stone jaded which was brought from China were used here. Rajali heading in Brahmaputra Valley and Hallur in Andhra Pradesh are also an important sites of Neolithic period. Next topic, important megalithic sites. Adichanallur in Tamil Nadu is one of the most important megalithic sites. Next one, Brahmagiri, located between Krishna and Kaveri rivers. Here, one skeleton buried with 33 gold beads and 2 stone beads, 4 copper bangles and conch shell were found. Next one, Inamgan. It is located on river Gode. This site existed between 1600 BC to 700 BC. In this site, adults buried in the ground with head towards north. Some burials found within the house. Vessels with food and water were placed in burials with dead person. Another important topic is megaliths. Megaliths are large stones marked burial sites. Around 1000 BC, throughout Deccan and South and Northeast Kashmir, this method was practiced. Dead person was buried with distinctive black and red ware. Tools, weapons of iron, ornaments of gold and stone, skeletons of horses and horse equipment were found in these burials. Here I give you some important topics and points related to it. It will help you in your exam preparation. In next video, we will see about Harappan civilization. Till then, take care of you all. Hi viewers, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe please.